All right. Hey guys, Coach Kirk Shinta here. I'm a top leader with $25 One Up, and I have one of my blueprint students here, Corbett. Say hey to everybody.
Hey everyone.
She asked me an amazing question, which I'm going to turn to a teachable moment. She asked me how she could use $25 One Up and the income level that she's at to actually reach one of her income goals, which is to make, $2,000 a month?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that is great because a lot of people have ideas in their head, but they never actually come up with an actual plan, and they actually never actually write it down, and therefore it never manifests, it never happens. Okay, so I'm actually glad that she asked that question. So we're going to talk about having a daily income goal, which is really important. So if someone came to me and said I wanted to make $5,000 a month, my first question to them would be, are you positioned at a full-time income level? Fortunately, Cora Beth is. She's a diamond member, which means that she is positioned to earn $250 commission. So she is able to earn full-time income because she's positioned at a level that would make it easier for her. And I'm going to actually go over exactly how she can reach that goal. So her goal is to make $2,000 a month extra. And because she's at the diamond level, Cora Beth, I hope you got a pencil somewhere, or pen. Okay, go ahead and get a pencil. So Cora Beth, I'll wait till she comes back. Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your goal every month, and to see, this is why this is so important to be at a full-time income level. Let me actually give you two different scenarios. You're able to earn commissions at the 250 level and the levels underneath, okay? So if you were to be at the at the platinum level, you would need about 10 to 12 at least platinum commissions in order to make $2,000 a month, okay? Now, why you're like, that doesn't add up to $2,000?
Yeah,
but here's why. Remember that this is a path. This program has what is called leverage built in. This is how I was able to start building my first 5K months with this program, because of leverage. You don't have to work as hard. And because you're in a community, it's going to help you. Okay. So here's the thing. At the platinum level, you need, I would say, closer to 12 platinums. Okay. To be able to make $2,000 a month. And then what you're going to do is plug every single person that comes in at platinum into our blueprint. Okay. Once those people start using the blueprint and getting plugged into the community and knowing what to do, their first commission they keep, the second one gets passed up. So you're growing your income by helping those 10 to 12 people that came into as platinum members. But if I were you, I would simply focus on 5 250s for the month. That's one diamond member, average of one diamond member a week. That's very doable, Cora Beth. I know you know that.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, because you're doing it, right? So if you focus on 5 250s a month, okay, diamonds, okay, showing people the diamond game plan, showing people why they should get positioned at diamond. We're going to be talking more about that tonight, actually, after we hop off of here. Showing people why they should get positioned at diamond, showing people that you have a blueprint, you have something to plug them into to actually teach them how to earn these commissions, right, and help them get started. So if you focus on those 5 people, that will make you $1,250. Okay. And you know, everybody who comes into a program don't work, right? Everybody's not a gym like you, okay? Yeah. But out of those 5, let's say 2 of them, let's say a person who came in 4 and 5, they actually got to work, and their first commission they kept, and their second one got passed up to you. Now you made $1,750. You're saying, well, where is the other $250 coming from? Here's where the other $250 comes from. Now that you done made this $1,750, right? You go back to the other 3 who are not working, and you say, listen, 2 people on our team already done made $250. Okay. I made $1,750. I have the blueprint. Are you ready to get started or not? There's your extra $250.
Okay.
So your focus is only 5 to 6 people a month. And that's so doable. And that's the one thing I love about, the full-time income levels, the diamond, the enterprise, the elite levels, is like, you don't have to focus on a lot of commissions. You only need a handful of commissions to be able to reach full-time income goals. You know what I mean? So that's that. And then tonight I'm going to, actually, no, hold on. So one of the things that I want to let you know is in the blueprint, I added in there today, the 7-day posting guide. I think you commented in the group about that or something.
Yeah.
Okay. So I added in their 7-day posting guide. I want you to leverage that because that's going to help you stay consistent with your posting. It's going to be like a template for you. And we're going to work on getting you on YouTube because you're going to get a lot more traction from YouTube as well. But 5 commissions a month is your target to be able to make $2,000 a month.
Okay. Remember you made a video about how I had like 20, 30 people in the comments.
Yeah. You had that one post with like 30 people.
Yeah. So you was talking about like if I get this many people.
The pipeline. Okay, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is I'm gonna be talking about that in the training as well tonight that we're doing with our team. So, one of the things that every day your focus is to simply do the tasks that I gave you in your daily checklist. Okay. And your whole purpose is to fill your pipeline of interested people who are going into your system, which is your capture page. Okay. Yeah. And that's your goal. Okay. So in terms of targets, let's talk about like how many people need to go through your system to make this happen. On average, you need 27 leads a day. Okay. In order to pop a sale. Okay.
Yeah.
But one of the things that's also going to be important for you is to make sure that you're talking about the value of the diamond level. Sometimes I see people join at high levels and they only talk about the lower levels because that's all they think that they're worth earning. And whatever level you talk about, that's what you're going to attract. So if you're out there talking about $125 commissions, when people come to you, guess what? They're going to come to you and say, oh, I'm ready to join at that 125 level. If all you do is, if you're at the elite level and you talk about 1K commissions and the value of 1K commissions, how it's changing your life with 1K commissions, how it's changing other people's life with 1K commissions, people position themselves. You're the leader. They're going to position themselves where they see you go.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. So, but back to the numbers, 27 leads. And with the Facebook strategy, and what you've already been able to do, you've been building great momentum and traction and authority. And actually, I meant to show you something, Cora Beth. I'll show you later. But somebody actually reached out to me for you, and I was like, oh, when I see Cora Beth, I'm gonna talk to her about that. So, your consistency is building authority. So just keep going with that. 27 leads a day is your goal, and as long as you do that, there's no reason why those commissions can't start popping out, especially if with follow-up. Okay. If you don't have a calendar, get your calendar. We're going to talk about that tonight.
And I need to do my follow-ups. That's probably kind of hurting me too.
Huh?
My follow-ups. I got to continue to do my follow-ups.
Yes, girl. And we're going to talk about that tonight because follow-ups are important. Once you learn, well, you have the script anyways for follow-ups.
Yeah.
So once you start doing follow-ups, that's where, people are ready to join. A lot of times people want to join. They forget, they get sidetracked, and they're actually grateful when I reach out. That's how on Friday, the 2 people follow up. Right. And we're also yeah. So we're going to talk about that. So a lot of people leave money on the table because they don't follow up. So that's it.
All right.
Thank you. Does that make sense?
Yes, it did. It actually helped me out a lot.
Okay, good,
Now I
good.
know what I need to do.
Yeah, I can't wait to see those. See you make that first $2,000
I'm gonna be excited.
because you can do it. Like you've already been, building momentum, and you have an amazing story, and I'm excited about tonight's training because I'm so excited about what I'm going to reveal to you guys about what we're going to be doing, and and I'm glad that you're asking the right questions because it just shows that you're serious. A lot of people, they say, I want to quit my job. I want to make $5,000 a month, like cliche things.
Yeah.
And you asked the question with a business mindset, and you actually wanted an actual strategy to actually do it.
Yeah, yeah. Alrighty. I'll catch you tonight on the training.
Yep, 8 o'clock.
All right.
See you
Thank
there.
you again.
Bye.
All right.